goals don't come naturally to me. Jamie, that's her jam. Yeah, she gets
Me.
excited, right? It sucks the life out of me most of the time, but it's very important. So if you don't know what you want, you're just gonna get what you get. Is that it? Something like that.
I don't know.
So we try to do it in the beginning of the year, put a vision board together, and this ties in good with our goal planning session. Usually try to get away for a night or two, as many as we can get away with. If you've never done a vision board, it's kind of dream big and put it on a board. This year, we took a big piece of foam board and we're going to cut it in half. And then each of us will make a decent sized board. And then all you need is some magazines, and you cut out pictures and you dream big.
We had been trying to have kids for a few years. And so on my dream board, I had found a picture of a mom and a daughter. They had red hair and they were cooking Christmas cookies. And so I just put that on there because that was one of our dreams. I still picture it when I do cookies with the girls, because now we have 2 girls. When I do cookies with them, I always think of that dream board and how of that picture.
Yeah, and then in 2021, we did dream boards and we had put kayaks on there. We had a chicken coop, chicken run.
We have goats, garden.
And was it 6 months later?
Yeah, it was
6 months later,
it wasn't long.
we got the place on the river that you can just drop the kayaks in and go on a little hour tour. We had chickens, chicken coop. It's really fun to look back at the boards, and we'll try to find them and show you some of the things.
I couldn't find them.
We couldn't find them, so we won't do that.
But we can try.
So today we're going to dream big and then hopefully look back and just be blown away by how far we've come. All right.
Okay.
Are we doing it right now? And cut. A couple things I want to say. Unless the Lord builds a house, we labor in vain. So this isn't a magic board. It's showered in prayer. So God sorts out all the things we think we need and our wants, but it's fun to watch him show up on this stuff. There is something great about seeing it, to visualize your goals and your dreams. So I'm just going to walk you through a couple highlights here. Build a greenhouse. Yeah, man. And then a sliding garage door with some glass in it. Very fun design in my head. UTV for the farm. I want to build a kayak trailer that's storage too. Travel the world. Family meal game nights. That's been a blast. So I want to build some more sweet memories. And Arabella wants a tree fort. So I said I would build one. And I said probably 2. So Brookie gets one. Paint the house. And then I want to clear out the woods in the back so we can see the river better. And I probably need a wood chipper to make life easier. And probably need a portable sawmill so I can save some of these from the burn pile. And I need the perfect chair. I need a new relaxing recliner, ATV. Block schedule time as a goal this year. I don't know if I said I want to read 20 books this year, but that's it. I want a 5-year plan. I want to keep making sweet memories with Jamie, and I want to live life pain-free. I want to live off the land more. I want our garden to be where we get most of our food. And I want to go from $1 to 2. I just want to have another income stream. So build 6 raised garden beds, go offshore fishing. I need a new miter box. And this one's underwhelming, but I would like to design and build my own outdoor kitchen.
This is a lot of projects for you. But I want one organization in traveling. So we have Germany, and I put Norway.
Nice.
Your homeland.
Yours.
And I also put the beach and hiking, that kind of stuff. I have us, just having a lot of dates and time together to connect. Wildflower field. that we can collect flowers and bring inside, place in the front. We have so many boots and shoes from going out to the chickens and the goats and all over the place, and we just need a good place so it doesn't look so cluttered. Outdoor areas, I have a couple. This is that barn door. Well, this isn't it, but it looks like the barn door you built at our old house where you put flowers and
Nice.
I love that. I want that again. But like really nice outdoor areas. Because you've been making stuff for the animals, but for us to hang out. And then this, that's right, for the humans. This is our garden with like lights and gazebo type thing. I want to discover things, be reading and learning all year, take time to breathe and be in the moment and not just go from thing to thing. Be intentional. I thought it'd be cool to have something down by the river that we could sit in as a family. Our kitchen, having it lighter and brighter.
More cooking surface,
unless
you get the outdoor kitchen.
Which I like this. I kind of like that wood.
Eat-in. Oh, nice.
And then I thought this was cool in the front to have like a bed swing. And then time with the girls and us just being outside by the fire and exercising, pain-free, baby goats, learning photography, UTV, I have that too.
What was this
Beach.
One? Drink more coffee.
Drink more coffee. Now this in the
Read
new kitchen.
Books.
In the new kitchen. Oh. No, so she's in the kitchen.
Got
oh yeah, and reading books. All of those things. And then I put 12,899
very specific
subscribers on YouTube.
Very specific number, but I like it. I'll take it.
Painting the house, and this is a pool that also has people around it. Just having good community time with people. Being persistent, and I think that's it. Oh, windows, big windows, so you can see the gorgeous pasture out front and all our animals.
Love it.
I think that's it.
Very nice.
Okay, well, we'll have to see what we can check off next year in a year.
Yeah, and it's fun to look back on the old ones and say, "Wow, okay, right on. We built a greenhouse."
Yeah,
you know.
You built a greenhouse. Oh wait, I have this.
That's right. You should test the audio though.
Wait, I think I can hear me.
Oh.
Here, let me see if we can hear me. Hello, check 1, 2. No, don't. Honey, stop. Okay, the dream board that I did. Do you remember when I did this? Were you there?
You were there.
Were you there?
Yeah,
or was I there with just Mama and Mom? Because I can't remember if it was 2006. But we had been trying to have. It's very important, so we should probably stop the video and figure that out. I can cut